What makes Widex Allure so unique is that ideal balance that we're providing between clarity of speech in challenging and noisy environments, paired with sound quality that adheres to that Widex strategy for sound, and the seamless way that it transitions through all the challenging environments that wearers will find themselves in. What makes me most proud about Allure is how it exceeds our expectations, how it really is delivering an experience that wearers notice is notably different from what they experienced in the past, whether they're coming from prior Widex technology or whether they're coming from another brand. We know that wearers are primarily focused on their experience in noisy environments, how finding a solution for that. With Allure, what we've really focused on is how we can enhance clarity, how we can deliver crystal clear speech. And we do this through a variety of technological advancements. With Allure, we have moved towards a new platform, a new chip, greater processing power, greater memory. And we use all of that greater processing power, that greater memory, in order to deliver what we call precision hearing technology. So the W1 chip is an all-new chip for Widex. It is completely redesigned, designed from the ground up. It has 4 times more speed, 4 times more memory than any Widex platform previously. We use that extra speed and that extra memory to deliver what we call precision hearing technology. That is a group of features that come together to deliver crystal clear speech, to deliver solutions for real world situations, particularly those around noisy environments where we know that wearers are looking for a solution. At the core of the experience that wearers are having with Allure is the Speech Enhancer Pro. Speech Enhancer Pro is a new, sophisticated, and complex approach that we take to managing speech and noise and delivering a better experience for wearers in noisy environments. And what we're doing with that technology is looking at how we can do a better, more accurate, and faster job of analyzing that incoming signal, extracting the speech from the noise, enhancing speech, reducing noise, doing it quickly, accurately, and tailor-made to the wearer so that it's adjusting based on the environment they're in and our goals to improve speech intelligibility, as well as looking at their individual hearing loss and how the solution can be optimized based on that. So it's really a tailor-made solution for improving the speech and noise experience rather than a one-size-fits-all. Yeah, if you dig into the nuts and bolts of our Speech Enhancer Pro and what makes it unique is our strategy that's a fast-acting signal extractor. We call it phase for short. And what it's doing is a 52-band input analysis where we can very quickly and granularly analyze that incoming signal, extracting speech, reducing noise, enhancing that speech signal, and delivering clarity. We do that in this kind of fast-acting approach, and then we go on to optimize for added clarity, added speech intelligibility, and personalizing it to the hearing loss of the individual or individualizing it to the hearing loss of the wearer. When you talk about AI in the hearing industry, it's interesting to note that Widex has a long history of AI within our industry and being innovators in this area. More than a decade ago, we started using AI in order to train and develop our environmental classification system. And then we've continued to be pioneers in using AI through user-driven, real-time applications within the wearer apps that we make available. So we see the value in AI and delivering solutions to wearers. When it comes to using AI or DNN type strategies in noise reduction, we think that technology is super interesting, but also very much in its infancy. sometimes with some drawbacks or some limitations that we aren't willing to take. When you're Widex and you focus on sound quality as being equally important to hearing and noise, you sometimes have to take unique approaches to solving the problem of speech and noise while preserving sound quality. And that is where our Speech Enhancer Pro really comes in. With our Speech Enhancer Pro, we're striking that balance where we can enhance the speech signal, manage noise, and continue to do so in a way that maintains the Widex sound quality. Zen remains a core technology for Widex. We're very proud of it. It has helped many HCPs treat tinnitus with their patients. And so I can understand the questions about why Allure does not offer this solution at this time. Launching Allure and Compass Cloud is a huge endeavor. This is a larger innovation than I think our industry has seen in a decade or more. To do that, we knew we had to prioritize certain things. We knew we would have to launch with some features absent at this time. Delivering solutions for tinnitus remains a passion that we have, and it's with that passion that we have a team dedicated to working on the next generation of Zen, making it even better at meeting the needs of individuals who have tinnitus and a better solution for HCPs who are treating tinnitus. We want to do it right, so it will take a little bit of time to be sure that we deliver on that promise of the best tinnitus solution for the industry. In the meantime, you still have Zen available in our SmartRick solution. That can be a great option for wearers who are dependent on that Zen sound therapy today, or for whom you feel that that is critical to their treatment outcomes. For other wearers, you might consider pursuing Allure. Remember that Widex offers the optimal amplification characteristics for tinnitus management with our soft level gain and our low compression knee points, both available with Allure. In addition to that, Widex Zen app remains an option for streaming those Zen-like tones directly to the hearing aids. And for those patients where Zen generated within the hearing aids is a critical component to their tinnitus management, you still have SmartRick as an excellent option that will meet their needs today. Compass Cloud represents a major shift in how we approach hearing aid fittings. We're focused on delivering more success with greater efficiency. We're really looking to help HCPs save time and focus on what matters. We leverage advanced algorithms to streamline the fitting process and ensure a great starting point for every fitting. The beauty of a cloud-based fitting software is that it is always up to date. You will always benefit from the latest and greatest of our software every time you log in. No worry about installing, no worry about updates. Compass Cloud is the first cloud-based fitting software in the hearing industry, so it's understandable that generates some questions or concerns that are new to HCPs. Rest assured that Compass Cloud is built with privacy and data security at its core. We use industry-leading solutions to ensure data privacy and security, both of your clinic data and your patient data. Behind the curtain for Allure, there is a great deal of sophistication, of powerful algorithms that are operating in a way to create those successful fittings. That what might appear to be something absent is really just functioning in a new way, functioning in a different way, delivering successful outcomes, delivering those great first fits. So one of those legacy features that we're often asked about is sensogram. Sensogram has been pretty pivotal in Widex fittings for many, many years. As we moved towards Allure and towards Compass Cloud, what our research showed, what our clinical trials showed, what we found when your peers were part of evaluating this product prior to its release, we found that we could achieve the same or better outcomes than we had achieved in the past, relying on our new True Acoustics algorithm. So our True Acoustics algorithm is that acoustic measurement that looks at the fit of the ear tip in the ear and then accurately prescribes gain for that individual and for that fitting. We've improved that algorithm, leveraging the power of Compass Cloud so that the outcomes are even better and the requirement to do a sensogram is no longer there. So what you'll find is that Compass Cloud delivers successful outcomes with greater efficiency because of the powerful algorithms, the powerful calculations that are operating within the software. I've talked to many HCPs who had a lot of hesitation about the changes that we have made in the software. But upon fitting Allure on their patients, they are reporting the success that we had expected them to experience. They are reporting that patients are happy at their first fit. They are reporting fewer fine-tuning requirements at the first fit or at the follow-up appointment. And maybe most importantly, they are reporting how they are saving a tremendous amount of time where they can focus on more patient care, more counseling, and what really matters to them, which is connecting with their patients. Our shift towards cloud-based fitting software and a more streamlined process have spurred some rumors in social media that we're moving towards a direct-to-consumer model, and nothing could be farther from the truth. Widex has always been an ally of the independent HCP, and nothing has changed. We believe in in-person fittings. We believe in professional care. Our goal with Compass Cloud is to equip you to better serve your patients.